In the vast arena of the digital realm, a silent struggle unfolds. It's a world where titles and ranks often dictate the pace and direction of growth, leaving many feeling sidelined, demoralized, and robbed of hope. Good day to you, my friend. Nick Rehmani with freedomlifebusiness.com. Today, we delve into this digital divide, exploring the impact of competitive digital programs and the paramount importance of providing hope, guidance, and a pathway to success for those feeling trapped by their circumstances. See, in our digital age, platforms and programs have become the arenas of competition where achievements are measured in ranks and titles. See, these systems designed to provide incentives for progress can inadvertently cast a shadow over those who find themselves at the lower rungs of the digital ladder. The question arises, what becomes of those left feeling hopeless in their pursuit of their goals and dreams? For many, the digital world is a mirror reflecting their real life challenges. Individuals stuck in professions that no longer fulfill them, screaming for a change, but for the most part falls on deaf ears. They seek guidance, a mentor who can light the way through the darkness, someone who understands that hope is not just an ideal, but a necessity and a reality. Enter the home business industry, a beacon for those lost in a sea of uncertainty. It stands as a testament to the power of hope, offering not just a way out, but a way forward. Here, success is measured not by titles, but by the lives uplifted, the dreams realized, and the hopes rekindled. I stand before you not just as a narrator, but as someone who has walked in those shoes. Once lost, I found my path illuminated by someone who believed in me, someone who saw potential where I saw dead ends. It taught me an invaluable lesson. The greatest gift you can offer is not advice, nor guidance, but hope. Hope is the spark that ignites the flame of perseverance. It whispers in the weary ears of the forgotten ones that tomorrow holds promise, that the journey is worth continuing. See, in a world that often feels indifferent, offering hope is an act of rebellion against despair, a declaration that we are more than just our ranks, more than our titles. As we navigate the digital divide, let us remember the power of compassion, the strength found in heart-centered community, and the transformative impact of hope. Let us reach out to those in need of guidance, offer a listening ear, a helping hand, and a light in the darkness. For in the end, it's not the titles we hold, but the lives we touch that defines our legacy. In the grand tapestry of the digital age, each thread of hope we weave strengthens the fabric of our collective humanity. As you move forward, carry the torch of hope, light the way for others, and remember, the best gift you can give is not just to succeed, but to help others do the same. As we journey through the digital landscapes and navigate the challenges of our professional lives, remember, you are not alone in this quest for fulfillment and success. If today's message sparked a flame of hope within you, know that this is just the beginning. Visit freedomlifebusiness.com, a sanctuary for those seeking to transform their lives through guidance, support, and the shared wisdom of a heart-centered community of entrepreneurs that cares. Here, you will find resources, stories, and opportunities designed to uplift and inspire. Whether you're looking to break free from the shackles of your current profession or simply searching for a beacon of hope in your life journey, we hear you. Take the first step towards a life filled with purpose, joy, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. Embrace the opportunity to redefine success on your own terms and join a community of like-minded individuals who believe in fostering hope and building a brighter future for all, where no one is left behind. The future is bright and it begins with you. Remember, hope is the best gift you can give someone, including yourself. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone in need of hope. Together, we can make a difference one life at a time. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.